What are we doing right now?
Getting bit by ants. Waiting for the bats.
They're pinching.
So this is the largest urban bat colony here in the world, Austin, Texas. Around sunset, they're going to start flying up. You can hardly pick them up. Down there's a good spot to see them too. So you notice how they all fly out in this one cloud, but they live all throughout the bridge. So they start at the end over there, they start flying down the bridge, wake up their buddies and call and be like, it's time to fly! And then they exit from this part, like in one giant cloud. Continuous stream. You can see them making their weird little wings. Actually, there goes some renegade bats over here.
Renegade bats. Not following the social order.
Look at all the little gnats overhead. They're gonna get eaten. That ribbon of them.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool.